Kampase. Dansil. Nag-technic pass. Dansil yung managod. Pass to Kampase. Back to Dansil. Pick. Back to Kampase. Shot lock to the ground. Kampase pang down sa wala. Offensive rebound. Rodriguez yun. Rodriguez swap na gas. Wala pa rin. Dansil. Wala good steal. Ay, masyadong malakas. Sayang yun. Laksa mo na ngayon, easy po ball. Screen by si Lazar. Laksa mo na ngayon, walang quick block. Simple na rin, simple. At masal sa bakal sa likod. Largo yung ball. Pasok from the pick. Conte hook shot off the glass. Open two. Grabe si Conte. Das ball what talaga. Patunay ng kulit ang nakakapuwing. Grabe si Lacson. What a moves. Good for two. Last 6 minutes. Rodriguez big rebound. Salazar wala. Big rebound. Lacson. Lacson pass to Dansil. Dansil pull up jumpers. Good for two. Larga berhal. Pass to Salvador. 1-on-1 na Riscado. Salvador ay pinipilit. Shot lang ng blood. Conte pick. Conte hook shot. Wala. Big rebound na Riscado. Kapix. Lacson yun. Lacson ang mamadali. Uy, may pumadak na pito foul. Foul yards to number 4. Holding ball at narrow kay Largo. Largo are winning. Happy to fouls. First team foul. First go by Lacson. Uy, wala pa rin. Pangatlong team throw na sir, wala pa rin. Siguro shoot mo na yan. One, go to one. Rabbit change ba doon, no? Lacson mo na ngayon, guarded by Lacson. Last 5 minutes in 8 seconds, shot lock na 14. Lacson mo na, basket ko ng foul. Basket ko ng foul, ang jersey number 5, Lacson, illegal use of runs. Lacson, first personal foul, first team foul. Last throw by Lacson mo na, to avoid the 3-point play. Uy, wala. Last 5 minutes. That's it. Torres got away. Salvador pass the front. They got it for that's it. Running around run. That's it. Right open is Cameron. Go for two. Samara, got it by Lacson. Agawan by Lacson. Basket pass by Lacson. Lacson put back. Salazar. Conte up the glass. Basket by foul. Foul against number 5. Lacson. Illegal is the box. Lacson, 7 personal foul. Second team foul. Last one by Conte. Grabe talaga si Conte. Yes, kompleto ang tatlo. Papasi Pasipas ng si Frank Dawson. Wala. Right, stepping in the line. Inapakan. Ang iginagawa ng tweet, shoutout nga wala kay Katarong May Mendoza. Bagong rebound. Sheesh! Shot knock down to 14, last 4 minutes. Rodriguez ngayon, kita ng scoop. Wala. Tapikan bola ng si Serpano. Serpano ngayon, ganit ba Escado. Racing ball pa rin tayo. Bola ng Team BZB Sportswear. Remaining time, 3 minutes and 50. Shot knock down to 21. Holding on. Shot lock down to 14. Shot lock down to 10. Salazar from outside wala. Pabasing yun. Passing pass Ares Gano off the pass. Go for 2. Largo ngayon. Bali magkabasing. Largo ang pass na Lakson. Ganda ng nag-fronte, ganda ang pass ng Salazar, off the glass. Good for 2. Maraming chemistry. Ano yun? Final quarter, remain time, 3 minutes and 8 seconds. Nagkante ngayon, pass to Kabasi. Kabasi for up Chopos. Wala, pag-rebound, Serpano. Serpano pass na largo, ito Laksamana. Laksamana press over. Cross pass sa front dengan ang ilang Salazar, fade away, step back. Yes, number 2. May kati ang ball. Pass to Banfield. Shot knock down to 14. Last touch si Gamaslit. Bola babalik sa Team BZB Sportswear. Back pass na Largo break. Largo is in the ball. Remaining time, 2 minutes and 28 seconds. Salazar over the break. Gandang cut na kanon. The 20, yes, good for 2. Grabe. Rodriguez. Shot lock down to 14. Shot lock down to 10. Rekana is single shot, yes, to put 2. Last 12 minutes. Ganda naman ang Tuandelis Pamayan, go for 2. Maraming bilis. Last 1 minute and 50 seconds. Pass for Rodriguez. Rodriguez, better than smooth. Really good for 2. Last 1 minute and 40. Last 1 minute and 35. Roy, may foul. May foul. Loss number 41, Rodriguez. Rodriguez illegal surveillance. Rodriguez, you are second personal foul. 3 game fouls. Remain time to 1 minute and 33 seconds. Official score, 65-77. Laksamana guarded by Dansil. Shot lock down to 8. Shot lock down to 5. Servado wala. Roy, nice touch. Remaining by 1 minute and 14 seconds. Escado ngayon. Pass to pass for Recarte. Recarte from down south. 3 points direct. Work for 3. Agol. Salazar ngayon, galing by Rodriguez. Pero may pabarok na pin to foul. Foul and goes to number 41. For ano ulit? 41, Rodriguez. Rodriguez wide, third personal foul, running for penalty. Remain time, last 57 seconds and 27. Last 50 point. Last 50. Rodriguez ground, running skill, corner passing pass, Servando. Servando restaurian, 1.0. Time out, Brad. Time out. Remain time, last 43 seconds. Rodriguez berbal, pas ke bawah ke Ricardo. Ricardo ada big block by Kondo. Laksamana ngayon, last 58. Shot clock down to 16. Laksana ng kawan. Shot clock down to 10. Yes, good for 2, Salazar. Abasa ng kawan sa wala, last 15. Last 10. Alright, congratulations for both teams. Ang ating break. Best player of the game, Kwento, tapos na naman sa gitna para sa Kikoy.